Hey guys, in this video I'll be mentioning 3 new budget rugged phones of 2025. Now 2 of these rugged phones are 5G rugged phones. They support 5G connectivity. And so without further ado, let's quickly check them out. So first on the list is the Ulefone AMO X16 series. Now the series consists of the standard X16 and the Pro version, which is the AMO X16 Pro. Now I'll be talking about the Pro version specifically in this video because the Pro version is a much more better upgrade over the AMO X16. Anyway, it costs about $300, but there are some online stores like Banggood that sells it for about $250. So it's very cheap for its specs. And speaking of specs, well, these are its top features. 17.95mm thick and it weighs 394 grams. At the back of the phone is a ginormous camera module that houses triple cameras, dual flash, and 2 IR lights, indicating that the device features a night vision camera. The phone has a 6.56-inch HD Plus 120Hz display with a 910 nits max brightness. Running the phone is the latest Android 15. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 octa-core processor paired with the ARM Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of memory, the device features an 8GB base RAM and it supports 8GB VRAM, and it has 256GB UFS 2.2 storage that can be expanded up to 2TB using a microSD card. Now in the camera department, as I mentioned earlier, the device features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 64MP main sensor, a 25MP night vision camera, and a 2MP macro lens. The main camera can record up to 2K videos at 30fps, and on the front is a 16MP selfie camera for selfies and video calls. Now the AMO X16 Pro is backed by a massive 10,360 mAh battery, and it supports 33 watts fast charging. It also supports 5 watts reverse wire charging, but unfortunately it doesn't support wireless charging, which is expected because, come on, it's a budget phone. Now I mentioned earlier that the device features dual flash at the back, like 2 flashlights. Now one of the flash is a camping light with a max brightness of about 133 lumens. Now this device also has on its left hand side one key lighting button that you can use to power on and off this flashlight. Now that one key button also acts as a customizable key which you could use for other purposes as well. Now other features of this device includes a 3.5mm headphone jack. It has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and face unlock support, air blaster that you can use to control your TV and other appliances in your home. It supports glove mode, which means that you can actually operate this device while wearing gloves. It also has NFC, OTG, underwater camera support, which means you can actually record videos and take photos underwater using the device. And the device has Bluetooth 5.2, GPS and other navigation systems, a 3-card slot, and so much more. So these are the top features of the AMO X16 Pro. So the next device is the Ulfon A50 Action A5 Pro. Now this is not a 5G rugged phone, but I included this device in this video because it's very affordable. It's literally the cheapest rugged phone of 2025. The device is currently on AliExpress for about $112. As you can see, it's very cheap, and its specs are not bad either. And speaking of specs, well, here they are.
You get a big 6.88-inch HD plus display. It's not the sharpest out there, but it's plenty of screen for maps, messages, whatever you're up to. But the real twist, there's a 1-inch rear display. I love this. It's perfect for checking notifications or framing a selfie with the main camera. No awkward arm gymnastics required. Camera-wise, you've got a 16MP dual setup on the back and a basic 5MP selfie cam. These aren't going to win awards, but they'll get the job done for quick snaps and video calls. Powering it all is the UNISOC T603 and Android 15 Geo. It's entry-level hardware, but with 8GB RAM, well, 3GB real and 5GB virtual. It should handle multitasking just fine. And the storage? 256 gigs built in, and you can slap in a 2TB microSD. That's nuts for a rugged phone. Battery life looks solid at 5,100 mAh, and you get all the rugged certifications. IP68, IP69K, MIL-STD 810H. This thing is built for real-world abuse. Think job sites, hiking trails, or just being a little clumsy. So, is the Action A5 Pro the ultimate rugged phone? If you want something tough, light, practical, and just a bit different, it's absolutely worth a look.
Now the last device is the Okita WP56. Now this device, just like the AMO X16 Pro, features a super large battery, 5G support, and what makes it really stand out is its powerful 128 decibel loudspeaker. And speaking of price, the Okita WP56 costs about $300, so it's literally the most expensive rugged phone in this video, but it is still cheap, especially because of its specs. And speaking of specs, well, these are its top features. So the Okita WP56 is a rugged smartphone built for durability and long-lasting performance. Its imposing 24.8mm thickness and 524 grams weight emphasize its robust design, reinforced by military-grade standard 810H, IP68 and IP69K ratings for extreme protection against drops, water and dust. The device boasts a large 6.78-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, offering a smooth and vibrant visual experience at 1080 by 2460 resolution. Powering the WP56 is the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 octa-core 2.6 GHz processor paired with a Mali G68 MC4 GPU, which collectively achieved an impressive ANTU-10 score of about 560,000. Memory and storage are generous with 12GB of expandable RAM and a massive 512GB of internal storage that can also be expanded up to 2TB via microSD card. Running on Android 15, the WP56 is equipped for future updates. Now, photography is handled by a 108MP main camera with f1.88 aperture and 4K video recording capabilities, complemented by a 2MP macro lens, and of course there's a 32MP front camera that is capable of recording 1080p videos and taking really nice selfies. As I mentioned earlier, the device features a 16,000 mAh battery and it supports 45 watts fast charging and 18 watts reverse charging. This translates to exceptional endurance. According to Oukitel, the device achieved about 1,818 hours of standby time, which is impressive. Connectivity options are comprehensive, including Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and of course we got navigation systems like GPS and the others all supported. The device also supports NFC, FM radio, and 5G connectivity. It also has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, face unlock, OTG, and so on. So these are the top features of the Okita WP56. Anyway, these are the 3 latest budget rugged phones of 2025. What do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.